India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on the occasion of Independence Day, said that India is emerging as a widely accepted and respected nation on the global stage. Addressing the nation from Red Fort on India's 80th Independence Day, Modi highlighted India's growing influence across several areas. Modi attributed India's stronger global standing to its stable political mandate, stable government, vibrant democracy, judiciary, and constitution. The Prime Minister also highlighted India's expanding network of trade, partnerships, and free trade agreements. According to Modi, India has finalized 3 trade agreements and trade partnerships with nearly 40 countries since 2014. PM Modi also described these agreements as major opportunity for Indian businesses and urged micro, small, and medium enterprises to take advantage of them. He particularly highlighted opportunities for India's coastal states. Modi said that new trade opportunities could help expand global footprint of India's seafood sector, including shrimp exports. Prime Minister said that India's vision of becoming a developed nation by 2047 is based on capabilities and achievements demonstrated by its citizens. He said that realizing that vision will require changes in India's work culture, a stronger collective mindset, and faster implementation of decisions and projects. Modi also urged businesses and citizens to maintain the momentum of past decade and make the most of opportunities created by India's global engagement. From expanding trade, partnerships, to boosting exports and accelerating development, Modi outlined his vision for India's continued rise towards Viksit Bharat 2047.
आज जो इस समारोह में उपस्थित है, उन सब के लिए आज एक ऐतिहासिक पल भी है। आजादी के बाद 15 अगस्त को लाल किले पर पहली बार वंदे मातरम गूंज रहा है। आज जब हम देश के लोग वंदे मातरम के 150 वर्ष मना रहे हैं, तो इससे बड़ा उत्तम अवसर क्या हो सकता है। मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, पिछले दिनों देश के कुछ हिस्सों में बाढ़ का प्रकोप रहा, भूस्खलन का प्रकोप रहा, अनेक परिवार प्रभावित हुए। उनके दुख दर्द को हम भली भांति अनुभव करते हैं। पीड़ित परिवारों को मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि हम और पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़े हैं।